Wow, we were. Morning. Don't know where I'm looking today. We got a very busy day today. We got to fit two of these. JCC sent me these, so I thought I'd give them a try. We got to fit two of these in a client's house with a Ring doorbell. Go back to a job we started yesterday. We had about 3 hours there, little lean-to with some sockets. We'll show you that. Do a little board because I can't come off the old board. And we've got to go and first fix. I haven't even looked at the job. It's for a builder, so we got to go and first fix that. So busy day. Let's go and get James. I'm not going to let him in. Oh, I'm joking. Morning, mate.
Morning.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Do you remember a couple of videos back I said I'll get you a new tool?
Yes.
Yeah. Should we have a little... Should we have a look? Oh, look at that.
Oh, thank you.
Not to be used for safe isolation, but look.
Oh my god.
Look,
thank you.
And I got you some overshoes, look. So everyone moans, look at these, Hudson Lighting, he's a good lad. Go and check him out. Everyone moans that you don't wear your boots, so now you got to wear your boots even if they're dirty.
Right, okay.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Let's go and get the job done there. Well, here's our little lean-to. Two nice bulkhead lights with a glass clipped. One socket fed down. Another socket fed up, goes into the garage where we're fitting a new board. PIR, two bulkheads. This is the existing board, which is absolutely rammed, and then someone's doubled up every single circuit. They didn't put a big enough board in, basically. So we got to split the tails here. Pablo's coming in a minute to do the old didgeridoo day. We're going to put a new board somewhere, split the tails, and then put our two circuits in here. Bit of premature collapse along here, and then get it all livened up and tested. Well, we got some premature collapse. One that end. That comes over that wood. It comes over, goes over this wood. So unless this whole wooden beam falls, then this cable isn't going to sag. Board it this side and over. I'm going to mount my new board here, probably at a better height, rather than sticking it up here. Try and put it a little bit of height for the client there. Gone for a Hager. Mains RCD, 30 milliamp. It's only controlling the two circuits out there, and then I got a 16 on the sockets and a 6mm on the two lights. 6mm, a 6 amp. Hopefully this will come at a better height, something like that. Split the tails and then just run our circuits into here. You can't beat Hager for quality, but you can't beat Fusebox for price. There's a cables, comes in, he's banjoed on top. I haven't done a fly lead because you've got this little interconnecting bolt that bolts through the board in there, and then it's quite nice. You can slide it out to get to your lock ring and stuff. I'm gonna mark these up. That's me neutral, that's me earth, CPC. Get this in, get it all in, then we'll do the break-in last. Pablo should be in about half an hour, I think. So these little boards come with a 6 and a 32. James has gone to get me my 16, and these come standard type A here. AC should be banned. I went to CEF yesterday, went in the warehouse with the guy because I wanted just quicker for me to get it. And shout out to them guys anyway in Banbury, CEF, they're good. They got loads of stuff in there. I know I've never seen it, MCQ, I'm not even sure the make, and it's all type AC still, so it's just not fit for purpose really in my eyes. Just notice that, look. That's a bit naughty, isn't it? Look at that. Nice and tight, neutral connection, which is effectively earth, okay, is hanging out. That is not very good at all. See you later, mate. Cheers for that. All right, Pablo's just gone. We just tidied his cables up a bit, look. He's looped it in, he's put some henders there, and now we are on to here. I'm stood here. James is now going to get me the tester so I can do some live testing here. We'll then get the cover on, do the live testing at that end. We've already done the dead testing on these, so we're good to go nearly on this one. Well, I'm going to do an earth loop, mate. Can you reset that RCD quick? When it trips, that little singular one. These are the... Right, earth loop at the socket, mate. Earth loop at socket 0.39.
0.39.
Yeah, these are the click, but they give you the white rockers. I don't know why. Somebody did say in a previous video, but we'll do it on the auto.
Right.
Type A. Right. Sees what we've got ears then. Fingers, yeah? Knees and toes, knees and toes. The lights are flashing. The PIR keeps going on and off. There we go. Yeah, lovely jubbly. Times 5, 14 milliseconds. Right, we're out of here. We're just going to label up. I do like these glands and these little clipping glands they give you. Look, nice ball. We just got to label up here. I'm going to just put sockets and lights. It's self-explanatory. They give you hundreds in the kit. That's all done. That's all done. That's all done. Let's go away. James is packing away. James knows when I pause getting in the van now, I'm setting up the phone to film him. Look, that's quite ironic, that sticker, isn't it? Look. Right, that one's done. We're going now to the next one. Ring doorbell. Yeah, ring, doorbell and 2 spotlights. Right, here we are. We couldn't do the Google Nest. I thought it was going to be, what's the other doorbell?
Ring.
Ring, and it wasn't a ring. So we need to get a transformer, etc. That's fine. Right, this is the other job. Bring you in here first. Got an horrible loft, which I've got to go in, so I've got some light. James is scared of the pigeons, so I'll go up there. And I'll spin you around. We'll show you what we're going to do. Right, there was a wall... here it was like a little cupboard. They're making this into a like an ensuite. I think he said utility, but I think he meant ensuite. Why would you have a shower in the utility? So shower trays go in here. This is where the old boiler was. So we're gonna get rid of that and use that as an extractor fan outlet. It goes straight up the roof. It's only a bungalow. These are the old boiler controls which we've got to move. So this will get stripped out, and then I'm putting a new board. I'll show you that in a minute. So we've got switches all hanging here, there and everywhere, which have got to go. That's the bedroom light there, which we got to move into that wall there. So we can put a noggin in there. This is getting a sliding door, so we can't put anything on here. New box is going to go there. It's going to do 2 spotlights, one in the shower, one in this area. Yeah, sort out all the cabling. That's that bit done then, not too bad. We're not touching this at the minute. Probably will be back at some point. And then in here, we've got a wall that's been taken out. This was an old toilet, obviously, and then a little wall here, and this was a doorway. So this is all going to be open plan kitchen at some point. Boiler's been resited there, so we've got to put a boiler point there, then it's getting a hive, so we haven't got to put a thermostat cable in. Old doorbell system is going. We're going to rip that out, strip that out. That light switch is being relocated to that door. So he's going to do that light switch is going. That does here at the minute. And he's going to have 2 spotlights in this area switched from the original switch at the back door. So we just link that one over. That one will come out. A new 2-way to here, which is this one, which we're just going to move over here, drop in this wall, and then put a new cable in for an outside light. We then might have to move this lighting circuit onto our new board just to give it some RCD protection. That's coming down. I don't want to bore you anymore. We're going to put some spotlights in here, but we're not here to wire this today because we just come to get this all done so we can get the walls plastered and stuff. So, and sort out all the hanging cables. So I'm going to go and show you the board now. I think James has been in on a Saturday. Did you do that, Bond, James?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a cash job for James. He's done that. You can't say that to him, that's horrible. Ugh. Right, garage. The fuse board is in garage. I'll show you. Bloody hell. Cool, that's What the heck? Oh, there we go. Is there any dead bodies in the garage? No, not like the last job. Right. We got a TNS, okay. Look. Yeah, that's older than James and probably older than me, to be fair. He doesn't want to change it. He doesn't want to rewire. He doesn't want to change that board, which is absolutely bloody ridiculous. So I said, okay, that's fine. I will end up putting a new board here. So we're going to put a new board, which is going to do new lighting circuit, new boiler, and we might even move the lighting circuit, which we're going to work on, onto our new board, yeah. But you got a main switch, which is 100 milliamp RCD, going to the board with no 30 milliamp protection. So I just said to him, look, we have a rewire. He doesn't want to do it, doesn't want to change that board, so that's up to him. But in my eyes, it's cost effective now to rewire the whole bungalow, but that's life, yeah. So we'll put a new board here. We'll end up getting Pablo in to split the tails, do something, and we'll wire some new circuits from here. So what this will be here is a feed cable coming in to the spur. The boiler was coming off of there, which will be that cable there. And then because this has got no tank, it's just conventional, the thermostat would have just brought on the heating, which will be this cable here. Okay, that'll be a 3-core earth, and that will go to an old thermostat point, which I think is literally here, yeah. So that can come out, we can strip that out first. I have just said to the builder, what about fire detection? Look, they've just got crappy old first alert. What the hell was that? Look, it's just rubbish. So just this sort of half bodging it here, but that's life. And then that's going to be the light that they can turn on from inside the shower, James. So we'll keep that, yeah. Yeah. We'll rip that out, and we'll get that sorted out as well. Right, I've jointed the lighting feed. Put some 222s in a box, fixed him. You can put a screw through the middle. We'll shut him up like that, and then what I'll do is put on the box old lighting feed. It's for the next bloke or me when I forget what I've done, yeah. Old lighting feed, and then we'll do a little smiley face like that, yeah. Lovely. Right, that's gone now. That's just cut. That's the one I've jointed in the ceiling. That's the old switch which is gone. This is the switch for the bedroom that James gone to get me a grommet. We will then put the switch back on because I don't know when they're coming back to do this, so they can just work around that switch basically. We'll put that on. That'll get that light on. That one there is the old immersion feed, which isn't needed anymore. I've just checked that in the loft. That goes all the way back to the board. So that'll just be ripped out basically, and then we can actually move on to the lighting in the kitchen area. Will it just snap off? Well, first. Yeah. If not, just get a screwdriver, mate. Yours. You can use mine. Yes, go on. Go on, mate. What do you want? Which one? Is it Phillips? Yeah. PZ. I reckon it's going to be. Slotted. Oh, that's all right then. I know the age. Right, we've moved the switch. You see, it's how high that is. We're matching in to the existing because we don't want to go putting all the new stuff at lower height because it would look bloody ridiculous. If he was rewiring, you would drop them down a little bit, but we're putting them at the same height. We will put a new switch on this, but this is just for the builder. I've moved the noggin out that he put in. We're going to move it up to there, put a new switch. We'll probably do switch and fan isolator here, and then we'll wire up in, leave it in the loft, and then come back another time and do it. We've just measured off about 17 foot. That's 5, so we've done 3 of those plus 2. It's enough to go up over. The fan's going to be mounted here somewhere. We're not worried about that. We're just getting out the walls because he wants the plasterboard. So what we've got here is a light switch. That'll be our fan isolator. We've linked with a bit of 3-core. We'll have a switch line and a feed coming in here with a neutral for the fan, and then go back out to the fan and the 3-core earth. As I said, we're just going to poke it up, leave it up, coiled up in the ceiling, and then when we come back, we can then get it over to the fan. It's in the ceiling, we haven't got to worry about it now. Right, that is that little utility. Not utility, is it? It's an ensuite done. We've got our switches in and wired. Our fan is wired. Drop down here. You can plasterboard that. We've got rid of all the old cables. That will get cut off. Fan, 2 spotlights. Then we come out in second fix. We're not worried about the ceiling bits for now, as I say. That light does. Did you put the fuse back in for that one?
No.
Okay, that one can go back in. That one can go back in because that light can come back on. And then we just got to go that in now and rip out the other stuff. This is one of the reasons I don't want to get involved in this. Look at it, it's poo. It's all poo. We're just stripping out these lights because they are going to have 2 spots in here. We're going to renew this cable, so we've got new cables in the walls. And then the feed that comes down this end will just be disconnected, and then we'll wire a new feed. We'll chuck some cables up the wall again, leave them in the loft, come back another time, second fix, put some spotlights in and just wire them locally then. Oh, this is that switch wire I just tied on. Look, it's nice they've got capping in because we're able to pull up. We haven't got to joint any cables. Look, we can pull up the new ones. What I'll then do is leave this long enough. This will just be my switch wire that will do my spotlights basically. So I'll leave it here, and what I'll do is I'll fix a box here, which will be the new feed, and it will run all the way. This is run right down the other end of the loft now. So this will stay here. Right, you can cut that off, mate. Yeah, leaving 12 inches. And then I'll cut this one off and leave it up here, yeah? Right, when we come back to this job, that's a new switch. We've managed to pull down the old capping, which is nice. That's going to do 2 spotlights in this ceiling. We'll wire that after. When they finished all the building work, I can go in the loft and wire that after, that's fine. We've just pulled in a 3-core, which is going to do 2-way over with that kitchen switch over there. I've pulled the switch up, made it safe in the thing. We'll just do a Wago joint on that. This is a new feed, which we need down at this switch because we're going to add in an outside light, which I'm just going to drill back entry now here because I haven't got any lights on these stairs. We'll just put a point up here somewhere, leave it hanging out. It's not something they've asked for, but I'm going to do it because I know for a fact that when this is all finished, they're going to say, can we have an outside light here? So we may as well just do it now. It's a little bit of cable. We then chop a box in here quickly, get this all in the wall, and they can, they're going to just put some plasterboard straight on this. So nice and easy. And then that is everything out of the walls. I found this cable in, that's off the lighting circuit, which is good. That will then come off, and then they're having 6 spots in here, I think. So we'll just do that after when we come back. There we go. Outside lighting cable will be in the zone, which runs down here, which will be in the zone with those, look. So that's outside lighting cable. That'll be a switch live and a neutral. That'll be a live and neutral on earth. And that will be a 2-way, which 2 ways with a kitchen. Red kidney beans. Yeah, mate, here's your wages for today. All right, there you go, mate. You. Enjoy that, mate. All right. All right, while James is at the van, last video I said, if we got 3,000 thumbs up, I'll get him a drill set. Tomorrow I'm giving him that drill set. So he's got himself a nice twin Milwaukee kit coming. So I'm going to say, if you give me 4,000 thumbs up for this video, I'll get him the little SDS set to go with it, yeah? So thanks for watching. If you found it interesting, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for the support. See you on the next one. If you want to subscribe, hit subscribe. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.